Alright, it's Monday morning, the sun is rising for Badlands National Park. Nice and quiet and peaceful right now, but anyways, last night, remember I set my tent up, I was expecting it to get, it was just going to be light rain. But it was pretty much light rain. It did rain some, but it wasn't much. But once again, that wind was crazy. And I'll show what happened here with this tent here. Here's that, this corner, that piece here is supposed to be right. The ring? There's the pin there. At the pole, the end of the pole goes into this pin, and then there's that ring. Well, that's the window's so strong it straightened it pretty much. So I was over by the bathroom. I was waiting for. I thought I was going to thunderstorm more, but it didn't. And then when I came back, I saw this corner was up. So I got another stake and I pounded that down. So right now this pole isn't even connected, but this tie down is what prevented I think from blowing away. But see, that's how it looks like right now, how it's supposed to be. We can see the ring down there. Supposed to be like that, and I just noticed this morning there's supposed to be a small pole right here that's missing. It feeds through here. I'm gonna have to look around. Hopefully I can find that. That blew away. It's supposed to be like this one in the back. It's exactly the same. Wow. I'm gonna have to look around. Maybe I'll get lucky and find it. So I'm gonna do that first, then have breakfast, and then take and pack up and head to Sturgis. So, all right. Talk to you later. A new tent one night and it's already a little damaged. Oh well, still works though. Okay, one more clip. Here it is. Found it. Kind of figured it wouldn't go too far. Alright. Well, that's good. All parts are accounted for. Alright, I've got camp all packed up now and about ready to go right now. Got hooked up and packed up. Right now I got the GoPros on, and I'm hoping that I'm trying to get them to connect up the GPS. So hopefully I can, use the footage, the GPS data for overlays on my videos. I'm not sure yet. It's supposed to take like 5 minutes or so for it to connect to GPS. I don't know. I'll wait a little bit longer. If it takes too long, I'm just gonna have to go without the GPS and just record. Originally, I wasn't even going to do the ride with the recording, but I decided to. And there. That's where my tent was. The first night I was there, and the wind blew me over, flipped me over, landed way over there, destroyed that tent the first night. The second night, of course, last night with the new tent, had a little bit of damage on that one corner, but I think that's going to be all right. I have a kind of got idea what I'm going to do. But anyways, I am going to take and head to Sturgis now, get camp set up there, and so that's probably going to be in my next video clip for this video. So, all right, talk to you later. Okay, I'm going to do a quick video clip here and show kind of how I pack up, how I have everything loaded for when I'm traveling. Okay, I'll start back here with the trailer. That's where most of my stuff is. I got my clothes and my, that's the chair. The tent is underneath there. I've got all my camping supplies. I got my sleeping bag and got the air bed under there. And you know, all the heavier stuff I like having in the trailer. And over here, my cooler, that's too bulky to fit in the trailer, so it's light enough. I put it, have it strapped there. I just took it off there and had some water. And in this package, all I have is just my pillows. I actually have 2 full-size pillows. I like having 2 of them. So, anyways, that's just a real quick video clip of how I have things packed instead of having absolutely everything on the bike. I've done that in the past, having everything on the bike, and it just I always felt like it was too overloaded. I wasn't comfortable with riding it like that. So that's why I got the trailer, and ever since I absolutely love having the trailer. It's way better, I think. But there we go. So I'm going to take it set up camp now here in Sturgis, and I'll talk to you later. Okay, I got camp set up now, and it's about 4:30 p.m. now, and finally sat down to rest. I'm really tired. Hopefully to get a good night's sleep tonight. But I'm going to show you what I did with that corner of my tent I showed you this morning. Remember, I had that ring that had straightened, so that was gone, but I still had the pin, so I used whoops, there we go. Yeah, I had that ring that's gone now, but I still had the pin, so I used one of the stakes that came with the tent and pounded the pin down and put the pole onto it, and then I used this stake here to pound down the corner of the floor, so that's secure. And of course, coming from the rain fly, this connects there. So basically the same setup, I just use 2 stakes. I use to get that pin functional with the tent pole. Oh, there we go. Oh man. Okay, I think that's pretty much going to wrap up this video. And the next couple days, I am so tired of not getting much sleep at all the last couple nights. But anyways, the next couple days, maybe 3 days, I really don't know if I'm going to be doing much. But I'm going to play it by ear. But we'll see. It just depends on how tired I am and what I can figure out what to do. But so I think I'll probably have one more closing clip tonight. It's still early yet. Yeah, I'll do one more clip tonight and see if anything changes from now to then. I'll talk to you later. Okay, it's about 9:15 right now, and the only update that I have since the last video clip, a very big update and an important one, is I showered. But anyways, other than that, I didn't do anything else. I just took it easy. And so I am going to hit the sack now. I'm going to go to bed and hopefully get a really good night's sleep, I hope. And it's really calm and peaceful now. No strong winds. Oh man, that's nice. And not too hot. Oh, wow. Okay. All right. Well, thanks for watching this video, and stay tuned for the next one.